Hey guys, Maury Thibodeau with 316 Automotive. Here we are in Tulsa. This is a little bit different automotive build. Well, it's not an automotive build, it's a ramp build. And I've got my buddy Joe Bill here. Say hi, Joe Bill.
Hello, Maury.
We're doing this for a lady who's disabled and she's in a wheelchair. And so we're building a ramp through the church, First United Methodist Church of Owasso. And
the name of the organization is the Oklahoma Ramps Project.
As Joe Bill said. So we're going to be filming this as we go along, and I'll be talking it through and working as well. And we're going to get this lady's ramp built, and we'll show you the step-by-step results here as we go. There's my buddy Dave Chop. He's a grinder. He loves grinding. All right, let me set the camera up, and I'll get back to you. Okay, first things first, we had to take her porch off, and now we're building a platform to come out, and you can see the guys working there, and then we're starting our first level of slopes. This is going to be flat right here, and that's going to be a slope, and then we're going to do another flat platform over there, and then another slope coming back down this way to the driveway. So you got to have a slope for these things, and then a flat in order to turn a corner. The slope we're going to use is 1 inch per foot, which is more or less 5 degrees or so.
5 degrees is 1 every 10 inches, but 1 inch per foot is even better because it's
even, right, it's less of an angle, so that's the guidelines that we have to go by to do this. We've done this a bunch of times over the Tulsa area and surrounding environments. We've probably been doing this, I don't know, 8 years, something like that. This is the first one we've ever filmed, so okay, better late than never.
on this side. So I'm a little bit. Well, I have to bring this up a little bit though.
You are Jesus, Son of God, Son of Man. I call you Savior with nail-scarred hands. You will be my sun in the morning light, bringing redemption to my dark night. Beautiful surrender is where I want to be, locked into your arms for all eternity. Come and take my hand, you can lead me where you please. That beautiful surrender is chasing after me.
Ramp's all done.
Now I should be doing that.
We're just cleaning up.
Hey, we want to go home. Get up there.
Yeah, everybody up here.
No. Get up there with Carmen. No, you get that back out here. Hurry up, before she goes
There's
that
Tom,
long.
he's in the picture.
Show it to me in writing.
It's a tradition.
There's Dave.
That's not the person that it's for.
There we go. There we are. Into the organization to show the.
All right,
You're gonna film
that's
him
all for
taking
this
a
episode. See you later.
Into your life.